Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll guide you on preventing Safari from requesting your location on Mac in Sonoma. Let's get started. First, open Safari and observe how it requests your location when accessing certain websites. By default, Safari prompts you for location access when a website requires it. Take note of the specific website for which the location is being requested. You have the option to allow or deny location access for that website, either once or for an entire day, by selecting the checkbox before making your choice. However, if you want to stop this behavior altogether, follow these steps. Click on Safari in the menu bar and select Settings. In the window that appears, go to the Website tab. On the left panel, choose Location. You'll see a list of currently opened websites. For instance, I have Google Search open in this case. You might have more websites listed. To permanently allow or deny location access for a particular site, click on the drop-down menu in front of it and select Allow or Deny. Use the drop-down menu below the panel to apply your choice to all future websites that may request location access. I hope this information was helpful. If it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more straightforward tips. Thank you for watching.